welcome here. As you can see from the title, today is going to be a quick Target shop with me. I went to Target last night and I went through the Target Dollar Spot, the Hearth and Hand collection, and if you stay tuned till the end, I'm going to be showing you a little haul of what all I picked up. But without further ado, let's jump into the shop with me. So I started in the Dollar Spot area. They were getting pretty low on stuff, and I noticed they were out of the wooden love signs and only had the family ones left. They had these cute shallow heart dishes for only $1.
Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you.
I was really hoping to find the Love Notes pillow on this trip, but they were all sold out unfortunately. But I was excited to pick up a new wreath. I was going to DIY one, but I decided to buy one instead.
Let me tell you, not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night.
I've been organizing my house like crazy lately, so I wanted to check out all of the bins for storage.
Not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet.
I thought these stackable ones were so cute and would be perfect to store my kids' books in or toys in my son's room. I also thought these pink ones would look cute in my daughter's room. I may have to go back and get these. Now moving on to the Hearth and Hand collection. I just love the simplicity of these coffee mugs.
I used to let it in, all the things you said. You try to turn me into somebody else.
I loved this clear measuring cup with the black measurements on it for $9.99.
I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, not because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. Don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet.
Looking back at this video, I really wish I would have picked up this peg rail for our kitchen. For only $12.99, it would be so nice to store pretty kitchen decor on it. The $5 floral area was pretty picked over, but I do love the lemon stems for summer. I think they would look perfect in my bloom planters in my kitchen area.
My breath as I walk to your front door. Who would have thought it could feel like this? Heart in my hands, I'm shaking like crazy. Answer the door, I got so much to say. When you're all that I want, can't you see that I'm sorry, love? Let me in, 'cause I know that you're hurting. Please, this is it. Can we give it just one more try? Say believe in hate. Looks like we've waited here for a long time. Let's see what
One of my favorite YouTubers, Sky with House and Home, recently picked up this blush throw for her master bedroom, and it really made me want to pick it up too, but we really don't need any more throws right now. But isn't that color just so pretty?
Honey, give me a chance. You will see that I'm trying. Want you to know that I see you the same. Try not to think us do like we used to. I am changed, wanna show you too. When you're all that I want, can't you see that I'm sorry, love? Let me in, 'cause I know that you're hurting. Please, this is it, can't you see?
I love their graphic tees they have out right now, so I had to pick up a couple.
Say you believe in me. Looks like we've waited here for a long time.
Alright guys, so if you have made it to the end here, I want to show you a few of the items that I picked up. The first being this super cute shirt. I saw this graphic shirt and I just knew I had to have it. It says, "Home is where your heart is." And I just love the simplicity of it. And being a stay-at-home mom, I typically always just wear t-shirts and jeans. So I thought this was perfect. This would also be a cute shirt to wear on Valentine's Day since it has the little red heart on it. It was only $12.99. I also picked up this little floral shirt. I just thought this was so pretty. These are really popular. I saw so many people wearing shirts like this last summer and spring. So I thought I would pick this one up. And this was also $12.99. I love to do little ties in these t-shirts and wear like high-waisted jeans like these. The next item is this really pretty heart wreath. So I was planning on doing a DIY wreath and I never got around to it. And then when I saw this one, I knew I had to have it. They had a red one as well, which I almost grabbed because I have a love mat and it has the red heart. But I decided to get this neutral one because you can't go wrong with a neutral color. I've been seeing this all over Instagram, which also made me want to pick it up, but I thought this would even be pretty in a kid's room or just hanging on a hook. It doesn't have to be for a door. Next, I picked up this cute little tote that says, "You're like really pretty." So I saw this last time I went to the Target dollar spot and I picked up that light green flower tote. Well, later I was thinking, oh man, why didn't I pick up this one? I thought this would be so cute to hang on my daughter's peg shelf and maybe put some flowers or just anything like that. And since it's very neutral, I could use it year round. And I thought in the spring I could add pretty flowers like pink ones that match the really font. This is literally the reason why I went to Target. I wanted to look for this watering can from the Hearth and Hand collection. I've seen this on Instagram as well. I have some beautiful flower boxes up front under my windows, so I water them literally every day throughout the spring and summer. And I thought I could use this beautiful watering can while I do so. And this would be pretty to even leave on my front doorstep for decoration. It's just so pretty. You could even use it inside indoors for decoration. But I just love the wood handle and of course that it's white because I'm all about the neutral decor. And I just knew I had to have this. They only had 2 left in store, so I was really happy that I was able to snatch one up. This was $14.99. The last item I picked up was this beautiful hanging basket with floral. These pretty flowers inside. Now this I got to maybe hang on my front door instead of a wreath this spring. Or I might just hang it on a peg rail or any kind of little hook. I don't know yet, but I thought this was so pretty. I was torn between this basket and another one, but the other one didn't have the floral already inside. And since I already thought these were really pretty, I was like, why not get this one? And they were the same price. They were both $35. You guys need to tell me what you think. Do you think this would be pretty to hang on my front door? I thought it'd be cute to even maybe add like something at the bottom like welcome or hello. Alright guys, so that sums up my Target shop with me and haul. I hope that you guys saw some things that you liked. I plan to do many more shop with me's, hauls, and decorating videos in the future. So if that kind of content interests you, stick around and subscribe if you aren't already so you never miss out on any videos from me. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful and blessed day.
Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you, 'cause it will ricochet.